Disney Plus showing green screen, black screen or blue screen? Here are 5 ways you can fix it. Before we move forward, do us a favor by subscribing to our channel and liking this video. It's free and helps us a lot. We do tons of research to find the working solutions for you. Your little support will help us continue making solution videos for you and others. Now, let's get started. Method 1. Sometimes the resolution you are streaming the shows can lead to this issue. If you are streaming high resolution content like 4K and your internet is not fast enough to fix it, it can lead to black colored screens rather than simply buffering. Change the resolution of the video down to something that your internet can easily load. Check if the issue remains. If yes, try the next solution. Method 2. If you're streaming the Disney Plus show on any of your browser, the issue can be with corrupted cache of the browser and not with the Disney Plus account or server. Try clearing the browser cache and then see whether the Disney Plus black screen appears again. Open Chrome and press the Ctrl plus Shift plus Delete keys on your keyboard. Change the time range to all time and make sure that the cookies are selected. Now click on Clear Data, relaunch Chrome. Method 3. Another effective solution for this issue on devices with the Disney Plus app installed is simply to reinstall the app. Reinstalling doesn't cancel your subscription, so you can do it without worrying. Uninstall the Disney Plus app and open the respective app stores supported on your device. Install Disney Plus and sign in with the account you subscribed with. Try playing a show and see whether the Disney Plus green screen issue reappears. Method 4. If this issue appears on the Amazon's Fire Stick, you should try restarting the device from device settings. Press the home button on your Amazon Fire Stick and select the settings option. Choose the My Fire TV option and select the Restart option. After the device restarts, try streaming Disney Plus again. Method 5. If you have content filters, pop-up blockers or ad blockers installed on your PC or browser, it might be the reason Disney Plus is remaining stuck on black screen. Even antiviruses can create interferences while streaming. Try disabling the antivirus and see whether the issue fixes. So that's it. Subscribe to our channel and get quick solutions to all your tech issues. Leave a comment and help others know which solution solved your problem. Thanks for watching and always remember that we are here to help you out.